Traveling is one of life's greatest joys, but it's also full of surprises. What happens when your flight gets canceled, your passport goes missing, or your luggage is nowhere to be found? These moments can turn a dream trip into a nightmare, but they don't have to. In this video, I'll break down everything you need to know about your rights as a passenger, how to handle these situations, and what steps to take to make sure you're always prepared for the unexpected. From dealing with lost passports to navigating compensation for delayed flights, I'll share practical tips and insider knowledge to help you stay calm and in control. Whether it's a last-minute travel emergency or simple precautions to prevent problems, you'll learn exactly how to handle anything that comes your way and get back to enjoying your adventure stress-free. Before we dive into all the tips and tricks to handle unexpected travel challenges, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Like this video if you find it helpful, and share it with your fellow travelers who could use these life-saving tips. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content to make your adventures stress-free and unforgettable. Now let's jump right in. Let's start with one of the most common travel headaches, flight cancellations. The good news? You have rights as a passenger. Here's what you need to know.
Know your rights in the United States in case of you want a refund or you want to rebook again. If you are in the European Union, according to the laws, if your flight is cancelled in less than maybe days before the departure, you are entitled to compensation depending on the flight distance. If you are in Canada and your flight is cancelled or delayed, then airlines must offer compensations within their control.
If your flight gets canceled, here's what to do immediately. MOT. Head to the airline desk. Be firm but polite. Explain your situation and ask for rebooking or a refund. Hi, know your options. If the airline cannot rebook you within a reasonable time frame, ask if they'll cover costs for an alternative airline. BA. Request additional assistance. For delays over bon hours, many airlines offer vouchers for meals or hotel stays. Ask for them. Don't just wait in line, get proactive. Use apps like FlightAware to track your flight in real time. Call the airline's customer service hotline. Sometimes you'll get faster results over the phone. Websites like AirHelp can assist with compensation claims if the airline refuses to comply.
Losing your passport is stressful, but it's not the end of your trip. Before assuming the worst, try these steps. Go back to the last place you remember having it. Hotel lobbies, car rentals, and even airport security often find and hold passports. Notify staff at airports, train stations, or any official location where it may have been lost. If it's truly gone, the first step is to report the loss. Visit the nearest police station to file a report. This is often required when applying for a replacement passport. Then, contact your country's embassy or consulate. You can find their contact details online or on government travel apps like Smart Traveler US or Travel Smart Canada. Proof of citizenship like a photocopy of your passport, birth certificate, or citizenship card. A government-issued photo ID, such as a driver's license. Passport photos, these can usually be taken at shops near the embassy. Police report, this proves you've officially reported the loss. A completed application form, which you can download from the embassy's website. To avoid this situation next time, follow these tips. Keep a photocopy of your passport in your luggage and store digital copies on your phone or cloud storage. Use a travel wallet to secure your passport while exploring. Consider a tracking device like Apple AirTags for items like travel bags that hold your passport. Losing your luggage is one of the most stressful situations a traveler can face. You've just landed, ready to start your adventure, but as the baggage carousel spins and empties, your suitcase is nowhere to be found. Head to the airline's baggage claim office and file a property irregularity report (PIR). You'll need to provide your baggage claim receipt, a detailed description of your bag, including size, color, and any distinguishing features. Did you know airlines must compensate you for delayed or lost luggage? Let me inform you that under the Montreal Convention, airlines are liable for up to approximately $MTBYTIM USD in damages for international flights. In the US, liability for domestic flights is capped at $BA10 TIM per passenger. Essentials for your future trips. You have to pack your items in a way that is hard to lose. Keep essentials like a change of clothes, medications, and electronics in your carry-on. Use brightly colored luggage, or add unique tags to make your bag easy to identify. Most airlines offer a grace period, allowing you to rebook for free, or for a small fee if you arrive at the gate within high BN hours. Always call the airline immediately for rebooking options. Notify your bank before traveling to avoid blocks. Carry multiple forms of payment, including cash and a backup card. Travel insurance is key. It can cover doctor visits, hospital stays, and even medical evacuations. Apps like SafetyWing offer affordable short-term plans. Travel is unpredictable, filled with highs, lows, and unexpected twists. But with the right preparation, you can handle anything that comes your way and turn challenges into opportunities. Whether it's a cancelled flight, missing luggage, or a forgotten passport, staying informed and calm makes all the difference. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more travel tips and tricks, and share this video with your fellow travelers who might need it. We'd love to hear your own what-if stories in the comments, because every adventure, even the unexpected ones, becomes part of your travel tale. Until next time, safe and happy travels, wherever the journey takes you.